Okay, hello everyone. Thanks for coming today. I'm Henry Chen. I'm the senior sales manager of Solomon Vision. Today I will introduce you Solomon Parcel Picking for your smart warehouse with our JustPick solutions. So let me introduce our solution, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I will share my screen. For someone who doesn't know the Solomon, we are a Taiwanese-based company, and we start from 1973. Solomon Group is a listed company in Taiwan selling a lot of different automation solutions, including cobot, robot, energy solutions, and automation components like Rockwell and universal robots such as. But also AI 3D vision is our unique department. We serve the customer globally, including in Taiwan, Southeast Asia, and the US and China. So if you have the global customer factory you need to implement, you don't have to worry because we can serve you from the every corner in the world. Also, we have more than 80 distributors officially around the world. So you can get our service 24 hours without problem. Our customer locate in the different industry, both in the logistics and the manufacturing. They are happy with our solutions. For example, we have the system implement in Germany, such as Valeo, in US, like Morgan, Siemens in India, and Denso in China, so on. Those are just some of our site reference I would like to highlight in the manufacturing. Also, today, our focus is in the logistics. We want to tell you what 3D AI solution can use in the warehouse. Those are our royal customer, like Haier in China, DB Schenker in Singapore, Thailand Tobacco in Thailand, and Pfizer in China. So this is our focus today. Before we start, our solution is plain like the platform, vision platform. We are able to integrate with different vision technology, such as structured light Solomon scanner, and the Intel RealSense or Microsoft Kinect or Wangular laser, because we believe the different technology will bring the different benefit in terms of the budget, in terms of the vision accuracy or the field of view. So we will take a look of your solution, projects, and find the most suitable solution for you in the different vision technology we are able to. Also, we are communicating with the cobot and robot to their controller through TCP/IP, and we are able to communicate with a major PLC brand as well. So our solution is flexible with you, and you can serve with different robots. As I mentioned today, we will talk in the warehousing. I have 3 parts in the warehouse can use our solutions. First is depalletizing. Second is pieces picking for the orders pick for field center. And last is also today's topic. We will go a little bit more deeper is the parcels picking in the receiving area. So first of all, I will start from the depalletizing. We receive a lot of inquiries from the customers saying that they have a robot and they're doing the depalletizing, but they are tired on the different size, different patterns. They need to engineering for the different scenarios and different robot programming for their different tasks every day. They want to find a vision is able to recognize any shape and different size of patterns on the palette, be able to find them, locate them, and pick them. So also they have some situation that during the transportation, the patterns are off on the position. So they need to recheck with our vision systems. So I will share one of the fresh example is in the Brazil, and Tofresma is our partner who used implement 2 systems on site. This is the testing video they filmed for us. You can see his fine-tuned gripper, like L-shaped gripper with the Kinect Azure and the Solomon scanner. Solomon software. So the task here is to identify where is the box on the pallet randomly. So the engineer tests with different position, different layers, and different carton size. To see whether the vision can pick precisely up to 1 centimeter tolerance. This is their criteria. To use this system, you can see Solomon system be able to locate the parts, locate the cartons with the orientations and the depth sensor. So they are very easy to find the boxes correctly and integrate with the ABB robot to complete the depalletizing task. So by doing these solutions, your warehouse no longer need to do complicated robot programming according to the patterns and to change the program every time. Simply, you need to implement one vision with the robot. You are able to see the cartons in 3D. Second, I would like to introduce you pieces picking. So actually, this is the quite challenge task for us as well, because in the real world, there are a lot of material. For example, soft bag, irregular pack, or blisters, or paper boxes. Those are the different material we have to see in the bin, and we even need to consider use the different gripper, different suction cup size to do a tool change for the different packages. Also, the customer also require us to not only pick but also pack gently in the outbound, or let's say shipping box. So it's more like human hands. We are nicely to pack their groceries without damage. Here, I would like to introduce you the system with a video. So the SmartPack, in the beginning, of course, we need an AI to recognize where is the boxes in the bin in the dedicated area. And second, we need a dimensioning scanner to see the size of the boxes, picking boxes. And third, camera is doing the point cloud measurement. The computer, our software, will, according to the size, to find the most suitable area, space to place gently. So pick in the beginning and measure in the second. Third, to place gently is our solution we call SmartPack. So you will see we manipulate 3 cameras on the one system to do the pick, measure, and place. We are able to precisely dimensioning the size, and according to the space of the bin, we are able to do the packaging job. So you will see here are 3 cameras, 3D cameras in total we are using. By doing this, you are able to place the categories with maximum space. And this is the solutions we do for different size packages. For example, you have some small items, you need to only use 1 suction cup. And if you have the, for example, long side items, you need to use 2 suction cup, or 3 or 4. Depends on the gripper size you design, and also the package you are going to pick. The vision, AI vision, is able to detect the size roughly. And according to the ratio of the size, you can control the gripper to reach out how many suction cup you want to use in the real time. So this is our solutions for the one part of solutions for the different grippers. And also you can implement tool change as well. So we have been testing these solutions with the different packages, including the food industry, e-commerce, and different materials. This is the solutions we can offer to you in the packaging stations. And here I want to explain the third solution is for the parcel picking. Especially during the coronavirus situation, everyone is going online. And in the warehouse, it's actually a nightmare for the operator working in 24 hours. So what is the challenge in the scenario here is the vision need to acting like human to see the pick point and to pick objects by the robot without double picking. So the double picking is the first challenge we have to do. And second is the speed. We have to maximum the speed, and the target for us is not to delay the robot by the vision, but depends on the layout, minimum layout you can do with the robot. Our vision, 3D vision, will not make you feel like, okay, the vision is the major problem of the delay. So later on, I will share with you one of our real case we have implemented for a quite big company globally. They are doing the air express mainly. This is the layout we designed for them. We use the Yaskawa GP12 for the testing this time. And the vision software, we use Solomon JustPick version 4. Camera, we have one for the picking, second for the measurement, and third for the checking if any foreign objects on the conveyor. So there are 3 cameras in total, 2 3D camera and 1 2D camera. The gripper we design according to the customer's maximum weight and minimum weight, and also consider the size as well. And also we have the flipper machine here. You can see my mouse, because the customer has 5-side barcode scanner in his system. So if there is any barcode underneath the boxes or the parcels, we need to flip up so that the barcode scanner can see from the 5 sides. And also the system need to be, the parcels need to be placed with the orientation considered precisely, because their sorter machines need to be fitting with the consistent orientation. So we have to also check the orientation of the parcels when we are placing. So this is the layout we pick from the parcel station by robot, and we place on the sorter in-feed conveyor. And here I would like to show you by the video of our solutions. So this is the Yaskawa robot we use. And again, we use the 3D camera and the gripper. So in total, we have the 3 cameras implementation. The first for picking, second for the orientation check and the barcode scan, and third is for the safety issue. If the flipper need to turn it down the objects, we have to make sure there is no objects under. So the speed is one of the key. We use our pre-configured AI model to pick the variable items, including the parcels, envelope, boxes, without deep learning. I mean, without previous training, we use a deep learning model. And also for the double picking, our vision is able to detect if there is a double pick situation. We will return the parcels to the stations and to scan and pick correctly with only to singulate only 1 parcels. Also, as I say, we have to consider the orientation each pick. So you will see the boxes, the back need to be aligned with the in-feed conveyor so that their sorter machine can sorter properly with the consistent angles. And if our barcode scan check, there is a barcode underneath, we will put on the flipper machine. And to make the barcode up, face up. For the third camera, the function is doing checking if there is any objects before the flipper turning. So for example, here, it detects parcels, the flipper will pause, and the robot will wait as well. So you can see this solution is already fine-tuned for your sorter inductions. with the cycle time, precision, and the AI model already pre-configured already. So let's review what is the outcome of these solutions. First of all, if your sorter inductions, you have the barcode scan. Also, like our customer here, we need to flip up the barcode. So here you will consider the barcode flipping machines. The result is 3.4 seconds averagely. And if you break down the cycle time, 3.2 seconds is for the robot motion, and 0.2 is for the second camera for orientation and barcode scan. And I want to highlight one point is that our camera can work simultaneously and individually. So once the robot move away from the picking area, actually the camera start working already. When the robot return, it won't delay your robot for the next pick point. So the only vision delay will be only on the measurement in the second camera. Reason why I separate here, 3.2 is for the robot motion. In terms of the layout, this is the time it requires. It could be shorter if you use the more compact layout, depends on your on-site situation. And 0.2 is the time we need for the orientation and the barcode scan. So this is the average time consuming we test in this scenario. And the second scenario is you don't need a flipper machines. You don't need to consider the barcode underneath, and you don't need to consider the orientations. You just need to place on the conveyor quickly. In that case, the vision will not take any seconds of your motion, robot motion. So you will see 2 seconds we test out is purely the robot motion moving without any vision delay. So this is the two scenarios you will have to think about what's your design at your warehouse and what kind of sorter inductions you need. For the accuracy, you will see we can achieve under the test, we achieve 90%, 97% picking accuracy. 3% will happen under the double picks, and we are able to successfully reserve these double pick situation. And 98% correct the parcel recognitions, 99% for the suction cup to pick each weight of the boxes. And for the orientations, for the cycle time, and the barcode scan, those three are really stable under our test. So this is the acceptable situation by our end user, and they are happy with the result right now of the performance. Let's make some highlight of this system and also tell you why our customer like these solutions. First is we consider the flipping situation. We consider when the barcode need to face up, we will scan it, we detect it, and we make it turn up. This is one of the benefits. And second is we are able to do the second measurement to see the exactly position and angle of these cartons, these boxes. So a lot of customer, they can only pick and place, but we are more advancedly, we consider to place correctly and nicely on the conveyor. And third is, of course, the cycle time. We are not going to taking your time from the robot. Actually, our vision time will not delay. Most of the cycle time is purely only the robot motion according to your layout design. And fourth is we use our vision solution to detect the double pick scenarios, because this is not 100% prevent, but we have solutions to avoid this situation and to return the double picks scenarios. So we believe the AccuPick JustPick is an I would say, comprehensive solutions for your sorter inductions site, and to improve the overview cycle time and the efficiency at your site. So this is the conclusion of our parcel solutions, and we also welcome you to challenge us for the cost and the solution delivered. We can discuss further according to your labor cost, according to the countries, and also we can depends on the services and the hardware delivered. Those are the flexible options we can discuss together. Okay, so my webinar today will end up here, and we welcome you to leave any questions you have. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you for attending today. You can scan the QR code here for your testing, and or visit our website. Leave your message there. Thank you again for joining our webinar today.